everyone. Today we come to SINOTRUK factory. The machine behind me is HOWO 6x4, 6x4 electric tractor truck. A powerful and reliable partner for heavy-duty logistic transportation. It has up to 450 kilometers on a single charge. And take a look. This is charge port with dual-gun fast charging. It can be fully charged the battery within an hour. The battery capacity is 600 kilowatt-hour, and the drag ratio is 5.29. It is worth mentioning that this is an upgrade rear view mirror with electric heating function. Okay, let's take a look at the truck body, the gearbox, the tires, and the fifth wheel. This is used to connect with the semi-trailer. It can tow up to 37 tons. It has a comfortable single-berth cab with air conditioning and auxiliary wet slide seat, providing a nice driving and resting environment for long-term distance trip. Okay, this is the HOWO electric tractor truck introduced today. If you are interested, welcome to contact us to get more details. See you next time!